Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best outdoor projector screens with stand that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Towand 120-inch portable projector screen. This lightweight screen is designed for portability and ease of use, featuring a wrinkle-free polyester milk silk material that supports both front and rear projection. With its 16:9 aspect ratio and 160-degree wide viewing angle, it offers a versatile viewing experience for family movie nights or outdoor gatherings. The screen's detachable tripod stand is sturdy yet lightweight, making it easy to set up and take down. The instruction manual simplifies the assembly process, and the entire setup can be stored in the included compact carrying bag. At just 8.2 pounds, it's ideal for those who value portability. However, despite its lightweight design, the provided grounding spikes, ropes, and sandbags ensure stability during use, even outdoors. While this screen offers good value for portability and simplicity, its smaller size of 120 inches may not suit larger viewing spaces. Additionally, the tripod design, while convenient, may not be as robust as heavier-duty options. Overall, this is a great pick for casual users who need an easy-to-transport solution for both indoor and outdoor use. In the number 4 spot, we have the Scarel 100-inch outdoor projector screen. This compact option is perfect for those who want a smaller screen that's easy to handle. Made with natural polyester fabric and an aluminum alloy frame, this screen offers a good balance of durability and image quality. Its 16:9 aspect ratio and 4K HD compatibility ensure sharp visuals, making it a great choice for backyard movie nights or presentations. One of the highlights of the Scarel screen is its quick, tool-free setup. The entire process takes just 5 minutes, and the included ropes, nails, and water bags help secure the screen during windy conditions. At 6.6 pounds, it's lightweight enough to fit into most car trunks, making it a convenient option for travel and camping. However, the 100-inch size might feel limiting for larger groups, and its smaller viewing angle compared to other models on this list could be a drawback for wide seating arrangements. Nevertheless, for its portability and straightforward setup, the Scarel screen is an excellent choice for users who prioritize convenience over size. Taking the number 3 spot is the Towand 150-inch projector screen. As the largest screen on our list, this model is perfect for those who want a cinematic experience right in their backyard. The polyester fiber material is thick and wrinkle-free, ensuring impressive image clarity and brightness. With a 16:9 aspect ratio and support for both front and rear projection, this screen is versatile enough for various settings. The standout feature here is the automatic elastic cord system, which makes setup incredibly quick and tool-free, taking just 2 minutes. Its sturdy tripod mount and included ground nails and ropes provide excellent stability, even in outdoor conditions. At 11.5 pounds, it's heavier than other screens on this list, but still portable enough to fit in car trunks. While the size is a major advantage, it also requires a large room for indoor use, and the added weight might make it less convenient for frequent travel. This screen is ideal for larger groups or outdoor events where a big display is necessary, offering a true theater-like experience. At number 2, we have the Aholon 120-inch outdoor projector screen. This model shines with its premium milk silk material that provides a wrinkle-free viewing surface, ensuring vibrant and sharp visuals. The 16:9 aspect ratio and 160-degree wide viewing angle make this screen a strong contender for family movie nights and small events. The Aholon screen features an all-metal bracket that enhances durability and stability. The chassis has been improved with weight adjustments and floor nail holes for added security, making it a reliable choice even in breezy conditions. Its 3-minute setup time and lightweight design, just 2.5 pounds, make it one of the most portable options on this list. While the screen's portability and stability are impressive, its smaller size might not suit larger outdoor gatherings. Additionally, the premium build comes at the cost of a slightly higher price point. Overall, the Aholon screen is a fantastic choice for users who value portability, stability, and a premium viewing experience. Finally, at the #1 spot, we have the STWI 120-inch outdoor projector screen. This screen combines standout features with excellent user experience, making it the best overall choice. The milk silk material ensures a wrinkle-free surface and vibrant 4K visuals, while the 16:9 aspect ratio and 160-degree wide viewing angle deliver an immersive experience for any audience. The improved chassis and all-metal bracket enhance both stability and durability. The added option for floor nails provides extra security for outdoor use, and the 3-minute setup process is quick and effortless. At just £5, it strikes a perfect balance between portability and robustness, with a compact carrying bag included for easy transport. The STWI screen is highly versatile, suitable for everything from backyard movie nights to professional presentations. Its thoughtful design and premium build quality make it a fantastic investment. While it doesn't have the largest display size, its balance of portability, performance, and stability secures its place as the best outdoor projector screen with a stand. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.